Nokia 6100 disassembly. You will need metal tweezers, a straight-bladed screwdriver, Torx 6 driver for opening screws, torque driver with T6 bit for tightening screws, and SRT6 opening tool. Connect your ESD wristband. These are all the separate parts. Remove C cover. Remove A cover. Remove key mat. Protect the inner side of the window. This is the opening order for the screws. If needed, take away the screws with tweezers. Take away the engine. UI shield is attached to the radio module with adhesive tape. Start detaching from the bottom side and do not touch the adhesive tape. Unlock the display connector carefully. Take a clean cloth and push LCD from the UI shield. Protect LCD with a foil. Use tweezers when removing the speaker. To unlock the shielding, you have to pull the B cover outwards. To remove DC jack, apply tweezers between spring contacts and under the case. Remove the microphone. Use tweezers as lever when removing the vibromotor. It is easy to loosen the release spring as shown here. Now the release spring and release button can be removed. Unlock and take away the IRTA frame. Remove the power key. Unlock the IHF enclosure and remove it. Open the SIM flap. Push the B cover outwards and remove the SIM flap. Now the disassembly procedure is completed.